There you go. We rejected the top of the range. Can get strength to go back again if we don't. Yeah, this is a tough spot right here. We can just skyrocket to the pre-market high. We're above all the EMAs on the 5-minute and VWAP. So a lot of support. 90% of the time you just take a long.
Where's pre-market high, Ginger, on SPY?
562.07.
Thank you.
It's London high.
Got it.
Let's go. My freaking code still works for 55% off, but their initial deal is over. Freaking sick.
I got one yesterday, as I told you, just in case.
Yeah, I just tried it.
What?
I thought the sale ended yesterday because it said end of month. Their initial code doesn't work anymore for 50, but my 55% off still works.
For top one?
Yeah. I thought it was going to be.
What's the code?
That's cool.
What a rejection of that trend. Wow.
I don't know if that's a glitch or not, but yeah, it was supposed to end yesterday. But yeah, it's still working for me. I can buy one for 55 off.
There's the bound. I'm not touching this right now.
Yeah, me either. I was thinking about going
Go
long,
away.
but
Yeah, me
kinda...
too. Yeah, I think they're gonna get that higher level, that London high, maybe with the data of the.
Yeah, that's
it's coming.
Quite possible.
Or there's two scenarios. Or we get there before of the data, and then it will continue up, or it'll bring us down. So I'm just gonna wait for the data and wait for the move. I'll try to guess it. That's it.
Yeah, it's 6 minutes.
Yeah, it's the first thing here.
I mean, this looks like the perfect area to go long, though. And here it goes, wicking through it. Man, this 15-minute candle on NQ looks disgusting.
It's crazy, man. It was looking really bullish. Now, yeah, it's
yep. NFP Thursday. I'm probably not gonna pass this thing today before I gotta leave.
Man, rejected that trend.
Lips, the Blues lost terribly last night. It was awful.
Watched, man. I know. I'm sorry.
It was very sad.
Them, man. They were fighting up until
they were trying. Yeah. Yeah, the third period did not do them any favors.
Nope.
Cardinals won though. It was a great game, 9-1 against the Reds. It was a fun game. Going again today. I wasn't planning on going last night. One of my son's friends bailed on him. He's like, "You want to go?" I was like, "Yeah, let's go." You know what? I'm going to try along here. I'm going to size small. I'm in.
Order filled.
Dude, man, that was a good entry there.
I mean, I love it, man. I love it because I was thinking about the exact same thing. And before you open your mouth, I had press it.
Hey, all right.
Let's go.
Do it.
Because I don't want this candle to close like this on the 15 minutes. Let's see what we get here. 3 more minutes. We'll get out right before the data comes out.
Yeah. Either I don't have stops at break even.
So friggin' rich, guys. I'm up $12. I can't believe it.
Hey, go get some in and out.
No. My next in and out visit is on the 7th. Yeah,
you schedule them on the calendar?
No. My brother's coming back from the Philippines and he wants in and out so bad, so.
I mean, I don't blame him. Who doesn't?
Dude, he eats like friggin' intestines over there. Nasty.
Yeah, it's Philippines is gross. The Philippines, they do fermented duck eggs too.
Volute.
Yeah, that's what it's called. Ugh. And then they do coagulated duck's blood, which is also disgusting. Well, it looks like I might be taking a small loss on this one.
Yeah, me too. I'm not gonna wait a little bit. 2 more
Yeah, I mean, I'm
minutes.
gonna wait. Yeah, we got a couple minutes, but
Data comes out at 10.
yeah, 10 o'clock.
You want to come get the lows first. Super low
Yeah.
volume candle too. Wow. Damn it.
It's
I
interesting.
only had one. So
Yeah, I mean, I half-sized on this one, so I'm not. I'll still be up for the day.
I was just really testing the waters there. That was the perfect place to bounce.
Yeah, if it was going to bounce, it was going to bounce there.
Yep.
Yes. It's going to come out and take me out, and then it's going to reverse is what's going to end up happening.
I'm still in here.
I'm still in too.
Good news in 50 seconds.
Yeah. The candle's getting super bouncy right before news, just like it always does. So
Yeah.
everybody's getting out.
Mhm.
And now it's going to stop me out, and now it's going to run. That's what's going to happen.
Yeah, it just stopped me out. That is an ugly candle.
Yeah,
On the 5
look at
minute.
that. Look at that.
Freaking disgusting.
Jeez. And now it's stuck. Come on, Top Step.
Now gonna
Yeah.
say the
Whoa.
markets are open.
Oh, it's up. The candle just spiked up.
Yeah, it did. Just like I said it was going to. Why is Top Step X doing this crap now?
All right, there's the news. Let's see what the news was here.
I manipulated up, so it's probably going to push down.
I said manufacturing PMI actual 48.7, forecast 47.9.
I'm short.
So
Whoa, I didn't even have a chance to move my stop loss and it stopped me out.
You got news, guys. Relax. That's what's happening right now.
Jimmy, did you say you went short?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's what I thought you said. Hey, Dennis, mute your mic, bro.
Good hell. This is him.
No, it sounds like he's got his phone in his pocket or something.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like. We had Darth Vader in here the other day, man. I'm breathing hard.
Oh yeah.
So Jimmy was short too. Fuck.
What's
Yeah.
that?
Man, that was nice. I hit the
Okay.
reverse button. I was long at first when it come off that bottom wick.
This is
and I
what
hit
the
reverse
cave
button.
voice sounds like.
Reverse button.
I already made the one that I lost. Right now, I already made that many. Already secured the profit. So now we're even. Clean slate. And now we wait. Stop loss at break even.
Yeah. I'm slightly up on the day now. Closed out. I hate NFP Thursdays.
It is big chopping right now.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Turn what volume up, Edgar, on the music? I can do that. Is that better? Look at these candles. This is
Yeah, I mean,
shenanigans.
it's messed up because we swept all the lows, and we've got bullish flow
Yeah, but
It's
it's
come
on
down
all
a
the
lot,
infinity
though,
coins.
so that-
Yeah.
it's come down a lot. That's why I got out of my longs initially.
Yeah.
telling you,
How long
man.
do you have to
The
wait
day,
to trade? I don't think you can
the d-
trade on Pop One. Truth, sorry.
Oh, you're good. Yeah, stupid non-farm payroll tomorrow's got everything kind of
The data's
stuck.
screwed.
Yeah.
Oops, I forgot
Yeah.
to post the news thing. My bad, guys.
It would make sense.
Why do we
though,
have
that
open orders during news in one of the most volatile weeks? I mean, you don't have to. It's up to you.
Truth, you
I would
gotta go to your dashboard. Here, I'll show you where it is. There's some contracts you gotta sign. Right here. Contracts. Right here. Sign those.
Let's check the 3-minute here and see if we can get something. I think we go down still.
Yeah, I got one MNQ. I wanted to get a couple more, but it didn't fill me there. I'll ride one to greatness though.
Hey, there you go.
I think it would make sense. I mean, I get what you're saying. I think it would make sense if we went down and kind of made this weekly a doji going into tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
But that's a long way down. But
Yeah,
I mean,
don't think we're going to
it's
go that far
possible.
down. Yeah.
I mean, because we came up in a hurry, so that left a lot of liquidity there. I'm
There's
sure,
a whole lot down there.
and that's easy to get through. You know. There it is. It almost ticked me into more. There it is.
I think that's what we got, right, for news?
Yeah, that's it for news today.
Until earnings, of course.
Right.
And Trump could be getting out here and
oh yeah, he'll be
got a couple of events, it looks like.
He's got an 11 o'clock and a 12 o'clock or something.
Yep.
Yeah.
Those dogs, man.
Dude.
Love it.
I'm glad you do.
If this thing comes up here and stops me out, I'm locking out for the day and I'm leaving. I'm done with this shit. Like this is fucking crazy.
It's a
We
choppy
just turn
day.
around and we just turn around and run right back up to the top of the range again.
Exactly. I was gonna show the range that I have. We haven't got out of the range. I think 5 o'clock in the morning. We're in this range. It's a downtrend range. It's crazy.
Yeah, this is bonkers.
I think I'll take a long on gold here, guys.
Oh.
I'm in at 3228.9. Set my TP 3241.9. I'm not going to try to trade NQ.
Too jumpy, huh?
Yeah, I'm over that.
All right, I'm targeting 19,678, by the way. That's just above the 0.5 retracement of that move we made at close. You're right. I don't think we erased the entire move, but it wouldn't at all surprise me if we fibbed it down to the 50.
Oh yeah, it wouldn't surprise me at all.
So I've got my stop set on these shorts, and my TP is 678.25 to be exact. We either get there or we don't.
Yeah, this is some nasty chop right now. $2 range on SPY, and they're moving big time.
Yeah, guys. Yeah. Look, honestly,
Careful.
everyone can do whatever they want, but until we don't break out of this range,
Yeah, there's no sense in trying to trade it.
unless you want to scalp, when we get to the top, you go short, and when you get, and the thing is, this range is just gonna get wider as we progress along the day.
Yep.
It's the megaphone pattern. So yeah, Jonah, that 20% consistency on that, I got one just because it's a good deal, but man, it's 20% consistency is rough. Very,
Yeah,
very
it's
hard.
gonna take like forever to get there, but
It's one account that, yeah, you just keep going and going. That 20% consistency on that, I got one just because it's a good deal. You just pay one time, right? It doesn't auto renew every month. It's one time.
yeah,
so
it's gonna
fine.
take
You
like
have all the
forever
time
to
in the
get
world.
there, but
Yeah, that is one to have and be patient and play.
It's
it
one
and play
account
it,
that
and
if you have a
yeah,
goal
you
and
just
you're
keep going and
but
going.
that
That
20%
20% consistency
'cause
on
it's
that, I got
very similar
one
to a
just
combine.
because it's a good
You just pay
deal.
one
and,
time,
man,
right?
It
Confirmation and
doesn't
also
auto
the
renew every month.
transparency.
It's one
Yeah,
time.
yeah,
so
it's gonna
fine.
take
You
like
have all the
forever
time
to
in the
get
world.
there, but
Yeah, that is one to have and be
Yeah.
patient.
Yeah, but the
and
problem
play
is
it.
the
The combine, I can degen just to pass it, and I'm not
Yeah.
going to degen on that thing. Honestly, that's how I pass combines.
And that's how most people pass them.
Yeah, if you're trying to trade on a combine like you trade on the XFA, you're gonna take you forever, and you're probably gonna lose everything.
But you got to be careful, because if you don't mentally tell yourself you're only doing this for the combine, you'll take some bad habits with you to a funded account.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm an old dog.
No, I know.
I'm putting my stop
I'm
to break
warning
even
everybody
now.
else out there.
Yeah, everywhere. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, combine, you gotta get. It's a different mindset, different ball game. The combine, you gotta think it's $50 or $100, whatever you get. And that's
Right.
pretty risky. So I want to pass this as fast as I can. If it doesn't work, I lost $50. Get another one. Not 300, but
Yeah. This data is real trash, guys. There's nothing really that's sticking out to me.
poor Sarah, man.
What?
He got like 300 combines on some stuff like that. I
She
don't
took
even
a payout,
know.
though. She finally took a payout.
Fantastic. After how many combines she said
Yeah.
she had?
Oh, I don't know, dude.
I thought it was like 300.
It was a lot. Yeah. Hey,
It
she got a
wasn't-
payout though. I'm happy for her.
Yes. Amazing.
That's you getting your first payout. That's a That's a big deal, man. It makes you feel like a grown up.
Mentally, it's the game changer.
Everyone's saying that the gold is equally as crazy.
Oh, I mean, gold's pushing up. I'm pretty happy with it.
Yeah.
James, I don't know what everybody complaining about. I'm making money over here.
Yeah. I mean, you guys want to complain about everything? I'm sure there's another Discord you can go in and do that.
Oh.
Saying.
Damn.
All right, come on, man. Just flush down there in my TP and let's be done with this day. Shit. I can't trade. I got to go get my daughter today. And I told my wife I can't trade from the car anymore. So I've got till about lunchtime and I got to be done.
I mean, gold's moving fantastically. It looks great.
Are we becoming freaking gold traders, Jimmy? Because I took gold during Asia yesterday.
Hey, man, if I'm trading after hours, I trade gold because trading indices after hours is usually pretty gross. Lately, it's been a lot better, but historically, not so.
Bounce up pre-market low. Yeah, man, this is candle up, candle down. Should probably
Yeah,
follow Jimmy.
Just hit my
on
break.
that
was that?
gold. I probably
Ah.
should have followed you on that gold. I had to change screens. I was lazy.
It's all good.
Because this here is chop fast.
Thanks,
right
sir.
now. If you can get something on the lower time frames on 1 minute, some structure here. We can have a pennant here. We're below VWAP. Yeah, we can reclaim VWAP here on and break out of this. 99.42.20 level on NQ. Might go up. It's just accumulating for the next leg.
Yeah.
It's looking like it wants to go up, but yeah, it's choppy this morning.
This is my wife's 10-year-old son's favorite song, by the way. Oddly enough, Pickup Man. Like, dude, this song's 100 years old. Why is that your favorite song?
Why can't I hear your music?
I don't know.
Am I the only one?
Zenith says he can, apparently. Come on, Gold. What are you doing?
Yeah, I can hear your
Gold
music.
is wild, man. You gotta diamond hand that sometimes.
Oh, I know.
It's freaking insane. Yesterday, I was in it for a long time, man, and it was a ride to say the least.
It'd be like that.
What the heck? You know, no sound for me. That's a good question. I am Duffy. I'm on Jimmy's stream, but yeah, I can hear Jack shit. Is your stream full, Jimmy?
Yeah.
Ah, damn it. Yeah, if I get out, I won't get back in. Yeah. I think is your stream? Oh no, there's 50, 48. No, okay, some people left. The max is 50, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me try get a out. Yeah, still no music for me.
That's
I got out
unfortunate.
in and out. Yeah, I don't know what's happening here. I have the volume on.
This is looking good for a breakout finally.
At the VWAPs on the 1 minute. Let's see. So the higher time frame. Yep, it's a VWAPs on 5 minute. It's on the VWAPs at the 15, and it's at the 9 EMA on the 15 too.
We are at the top of the channel again.
Yeah.
Are you gonna reject one more time?
Looks like it.
We shall see. Yeah, we have an interesting scenario. Like on the 15-minute chart, we are below EMAs. On the 1 hour, the EMAs are support. Totally right there. So I think it's time. This is a bullish chart here on the 1 hour. Totally. But who knows? This can't trust anything. The orange man can come out then. Like my Portuguese friends call him the orange man. So we're blaming him for fun, right? It's like,
Oh yeah.
Tell your president why did he took electricity away from us. That was a shit show over there, man.
Man, I bet. I can't imagine. So it's making a giant bull flag on the 15 on gold, so it's going to push up here at some point.
Stop teasing me. We're just thinking. I can hear. Oh man, I gotta put my music. Let's see if I can hear lips.
Yes. What's up?
Yeah, lips is working. I can hear his daughter's playlist.
What the heck? This is the Black Keys. That is not my daughter's playlist.
I had to crack a joke.
And
Let me stop.
Smashing Pumpkins. Hello.
Let me try it through
Don't worry.
the browser instead of the app here.
Don't worry, man.
Too many things open.
Well, this 30-minute candle on SPY is trying to engulf the previous one.
Man, this is terrible right now.
I wonder who dropped that on Tesla. You saw what they did on Tesla yesterday, Pips?
Yeah, they dumped it on fake news.
Exactly. So their friends probably could get in. They missed the pump.
All right, we're back in my entry now. It's not my dog. It's somebody else's.
This looks like it wants to break out, but this range is kind of disgusting.
Wow, it's incredible. The previous two 15-minute candles have no bottom wick.
There we go. Finally gonna break out now.
Mm-hmm.
No Gex level is so weird. Nothing really pulling.
I really think this 15-minute order block is going to hold, but man, it doesn't look like my entry is just right. My stop loss is right in the middle of it. It's like, do I move it down or do I leave it?
There we go. It just broke out of the range finally.
Mm-hmm.
Champ should be getting into calls, is my guess.
I don't know if there's enough room because pre-market high is 562.07.
Yeah, right there. Yeah.
We have 50 cents to work with.
Order filled.
I'm gonna move my stop down just a little bit to give this thing some room. I'm down to 3218.6. I mean, I may not need it, but
yeah, SPY is moving a lot more aggressive than NQ.
Dude, these candles have been vicious this morning.
Hi, Maddie.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Why does it
He's
sound
talking
like
into a can.
Yeah, it looks like he's in the fridge.
He sounds like Bane from Batman.
I had my headphones on backwards. My bad.
You adopted the darkness. I was born
Did
in
you
it.
say you had your headphones on backwards?
No, they're beats. They're beats. So the mic is on the left side.
Or he's probably in the cave.
So funny. Oh, there you go. Mexican president had a very positive conversation with Trump. Whatever that means.
Yeah. It means I got to leave in 5 minutes. I'm probably not going to have time to see this trade through. That's what it means. Come on.
God damn, what's pumping? Oh, Tesla. He's looking at my portfolio.
Are you gonna hit pre-market high or no? Come on, make up your mind.
Lips. That article was fake last night. They're a bunch of bogus, bro. That was actually some fraud shit.
Why does Tesla always have so many fake articles that come out? That's what I can't figure out.
I did
Better
not
question
know.
is,
I do not
why
know.
these people something needs to happen to them, man.
Dude, Elon should sue for that. Like, get the fuck out of here.
Because it's millions, if not more, that
yeah,
wiped out of the stock market because some douchebag decided to be funny. We're almost there. Slowly grinding it.
There's 562.
It's almost a, yeah. I was scalping once we
Dude,
broke the
I was
range. I was scalping
literally
some
saying
longs.
we're probably gonna
I
head
might
up
get out
to
here.
550.
We might.
No,
We should go to 562.07 and just sweep a little higher, and then
I
we'll see
was
what happens.
born in
there.
the dark.
Exactly. You merely adopted the darkness. I was born in it.
The dark.
That
Target
movie is
filled.
so good.
Oh,
Dude. I
whoa,
gotta
whoa,
watch that.
whoa.
Watch that
There she
again.
goes. There it is.
dang it. I
Pre-market
should've held
high.
by one micro. Dang it.
Dude, my one
All
micro
right.
yesterday. Ask Jimmy, I hopped out right before mock. I was in longs and I was up like 150
Yeah.
per micro. I hop out right before mock. Worst decision of my life. Terrible.
All right. I'm going to have to get out of this trade. So I'm going to set my take profit at break even because I got to go. So I'm not going to make anything.
Per micro?
I'm up $84 on the day.
Yes, let's go.
Yeah.
One
Woo.
of us.
Okay, is this the top?
No.
Good luck trading this.
Thanks.
We might have some movement now. Finally,
We
we
might.
reached somewhere. Now, are we gonna? This is it. Reject. Or keep pumping. What do you have any gex levels on SPY? The upside?
No. I mean, they're
No?
small, but yeah, nothing really worth even looking
And SPX? Well,
Small
SPX
micros.
probably.
at. 5665 is the largest one still.
Okay, yeah, that's up there.
Well, 564 is actually pulling just a little bit stronger on SPY.
Oh my god, look at this Tesla candle. Let's go. Come on, baby. 286.
Tesla.
Break high day. Break high day. Come on, baby.
Tesla's helping here.
Come on, dog.
Dude, my covered calls and cash secured puts are freaking eating today.
Dude, lives. When I'm on the cruise, I'm not buying the Wi-Fi, bro. I'm gonna have to. No, fuck that.
Why?
When I'm
Just got into
when I'm
calls.
on island time, bro, I don't like to check my shit. But I still get the text one. You can still text on the boat. So if I text you and I ask what Tesla's at, just let me know, please.
Alright.
Oh, look at that. Now I get out of break even. It pushes back up again. So annoying. All right. Well, I'll see you guys in the morning.
Let's see what we do here.
Gold is rough tonight.
Peace out, Jimmy.
Pretty
Where's
gold
Jimmy going
yesterday,
to?
Pretty brutal. He's going to a
Oh, baseball game, huh?
yeah.
Fire, man. Fire, fire, fire.
Dang, I should have held that one micro.
I told you. But the day screwed you over, huh?
Yeah, it shifted a lot, so I got spooked out of it. And Jimmy was going short, so I didn't want to.
Yeah, I know. I
what he
saw
was
that.
doing. That's not very good. Everyone gets confused in here.
I know. When that happens, I usually sit myself and
Yeah,
go
it's good for
dark.
me, especially because I'm,
Guys, expect we can reject here, huh? So we'll see.
Yep, Champ just got into some calls, looks like. See what he got. He got 570. Frick.
Oh.
I so badly want to put the dick skiff from Champ that I showed the liver one in his
Dude,
channel.
that one is fucking hilarious.
I would only do it if he won, but like if I did that, if he lost, I would be,
Oh
I'd
my
be
god.
fired.
He would actually crash out.
Okay.
New candles on the hour, 30, 15.
Yeah,
I'm waiting.
I am.
I'm like this 15-minute race, man.
Oh yeah, come on, baby, let's go. Okay.
Hopping a couple micros
I just-
here. One micro
I
on MBS.
That's what I'm doing too. I'm about to get in longs as soon as we our calls for me.
I just
come
trimmed
down a
some
little more.
shorts here. Stop loss at break even. This can bounce here. I played the rejection of pre-market high. Now the another trade now that he can play is the bounce, the retest of the trend that we broke. Comes down here, and it's exactly where the 90 EMA is. So it comes down here, and then we bounce for more upside. If it doesn't, you exit and you switch to shorts. So, boom. I still have a runner here until we get to that trend line or to the EMA. That on SPY is 561.11. We can say 561. Get this beauty. Also, Mellow Lips, Coldplay, huh?
Come on, push down a little bit more. Oh my God,
I don't
Tesla
know.
287.80. Come on, baby. What's Gex showing, Lips?
There's not really any strong levels, but the largest one right now is 564, which is upside.
Lips, did you miss me being in here
Order submitted.
whenever Tesla
Okay.
goes wild?
Mm,
I'm screaming.
No,
Oh,
not at all.
Okay, this should be a good place.
I'm
Give a
just kidding,
little.
Buck.
And dude, listen to the song you're playing. I hop onto your live and you say that. I'm literally crying. Fuck that, Lips.
Yeah, Tesla should see 289 now.
I'm in, Ginger.
I am not.
Oh, fuck.
It hit the trend line perfectly. I am not in
Oh
yet.
my God, look at
I might
this
miss
Tesla
it.
candle. Oh my God, Lips. Let's go.
Especially with Tesla
He's
pushing
nutting
it.
over
Tesla's
here,
gonna
bro.
hit 289.
Freaking relax.
Yeah, bro.
It's not even.
I'm just sending out emails from work. Only a Tesla up and my MES chart.
That was an
And
amazing
netting
entry,
right now.
man. Well done. I had just made. I still have a runner here.
Yeah.
That's why should have exited completely there.
I'm actually gonna try to get into. I'm gonna get in 2 MES here, long, and just ride this out. I'm gonna
Okay,
do
boys.
what Ginger told me to do and hold it to the next level. So see what happens here.
I just exited my runner. Everyone is in calls. Okay, boys, let's go. Let's get calls. Okay.
I'm gonna have a wider stop just because I'm in lighter, so my stop's gonna be low, kind of like the low, so like 5636 ish. Way down there. It's like 20 points down, but I only have 2 micros, so. This is kind of like a B plus setup. Flow's looking okay, and X isn't all that strong, so it's like a B setup. Just so you guys know.
Dude, right there. Whoever was talking to me, that was a great entry, bro. I didn't
That
quite
was
get it.
Canceled.
Guys, that was textbook
I didn't
on
hear who that
SPY.
was.
We literally wick off the trend line. It was amazing, man.
Thank you,
Loved
Ginger.
it. You're welcome, sir. And there's Tesla almost at 289. Be careful now here, trim, because we might go there and just reject pre-market high. Because I think
Yeah, what did you say earlier? 562 something. 70?
yeah, we already hit it. No, yeah, 560. The previous was 562.07.
Oh, 7.
We just
All right, yeah.
we just did 562.29, but the pre-market high is 562.07.
What an entry, guys, on that freaking MES, dude. Woo! Already
Yeah.
at 10 points.
I know, dude.
Tesla hasn't hit
My entry
289.
right here didn't quite take me in. I was at
So-
5.652 and
Oh,
never
you know what it
took
is? Ginger, 562.65 was the low from before the drop, April 2nd.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
That's what we're
I
coming
have
up
that.
against.
Yeah, we have a lot of liquidity here between 563.21, and this level there is a lot. There should be a lot of orders there.
That was all just a good entry. Hell yeah.
Yeah, guys, keep an eye on Tesla. Oh, it does, because
calls are
that's
curling
just
now,
gonna.
so this is looking good for more upside, especially the break. If we hold above this high, it's freaking gone.
Yep.
We got a freaking smack good entry there, guys. Amazing.
Well, yeah, just got the XFA back to break even on the day with that play, so I'm gonna look for another entry here.
Good shit, my boy.
I was down about $300 and I took that play with 5, and now I'm up $34.
You got 5 MES?
No, 5 MNQ, my brother.
Whoa.
I'm not
Big
suicidal
balls.
in the morning. That's a half a NQ for you new folks. Oh, look at this. I like it right here too. Pow. Give me one. Pull down there and give
Order
me a couple
submitted.
more, please.
Yeah, look. See, we are doing exactly what Tesla is doing right now on SPY. So I have both charts up. We're moving as Tesla is moving on SPY.
Down there, let me get another one. I want another bite.
Another one.
Just give me another bite. I just want an apple.
Okay, bro. I feel like
Another
you're
one
in
bites
the
the
back
dust.
of my head right now. Shut up.
Nah, man, you gotta talk sweet to it, man.
Dude, if you heard the way you sounded right now.
Oh, I know the way it sounded, buddy. You got whisper sweet nothings in her ear.
Ooh, yeah, let me get a little kiss. Let me get a little kiss from you, baby. Smile. Smile for me, baby. Smile. Baby, just smile. You look better when you smile, baby. Come on.
That's right. That's right. Dix knows what's up.
I don't even want to know what fucking Dex says to his wife, bro. What the fuck?
I feel like you just got a preview, my brother.
It just brings the AI video. Him all ripped with a 6-pack.
There we go, guys. Let's go. Ooh, big move up. Let's go.
Pumping.
I'm
Let's
Nettie.
freaking go.
I wish I got more than one.
Order canceled.
Come on.
I mean,
one.
Yo, I'm printing right now. Woo.
So there's another.
you're on a couple?
Dude, yes.
All right.
Another trade strategy. Once you break the range, you play the retest of that range to go off the move that the market has. So that was textbook, but
yeah.
What is that?
That's almost 563.
Yes.
All right,
Keep going.
guys, we
Let's
got a
go.
daily level on NQ here that's pretty significant at
it is.
20.045. So be careful.
Yeah, I have 20.52.50. Might be off by a little bit. Yeah, we might just go for that level, which is pretty much that 563 on SPY. We can wake up 563.18. But yeah, congratulations, everyone.
Yeah, Ginger, I think your level is probably a little more accurate than mine. I've got kind of a line drawn in here in between all these daily candles and wicks. So yeah, you might be closer with that 2052. Yeah, 2048, 2052, somewhere in there.
We're up $110 with 2 micros.
Wow. Well done, sir.
I was literally saying I'm gonna hop in, and if I can win, a take away from my entry. Bitch ass, dude.
Yeah,
Bitch
so
ass,
Ginger, I see
yeah.
your 52.25 level on NQ there. That's that candle. That's the body of that daily candle there. Yeah, and that was a strong support that then flipped resistance, and that's where we are now. So I think, and that's what I was saying earlier. If we break through some of these daily levels, we're going to start heading toward all-time highs. But yeah, we've got to get through them. That's the key there, and we're at one of them right now. Sorry, Lips, go ahead, buddy.
Yeah,
I was just saying we got a nice entry off those EMAs, man. Freaking
Dude,
amazing.
in between this level on Tesla and all-time highs, there's not too much resistance. To be honest, there's 327 I'm seeing. 327 and 361. And we print all the way up there, dude. I'm gonna scream. How much are you gonna be up, Lips, if we get back to all-time highs? I'm gonna be up a whole ham sandwich.
Oh, I thought you were talking about Tesla.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know, a lot, dude.
Yeah, I'm gonna be up.
Enough he'll go buy another Cybertruck.
Yeah, legit, dude. Like, I would probably be up 2 Cybertrucks.
Oh, it's nice. 2 Cybertrucks.
I'd probably be up like a half a Cybertruck if they're 100K.
Hey, Maddie, so the prompt that I gave that yesterday, it didn't work out as well as I wanted it to, but I wanted it. I said, do a blank stare at the camera, slowly stand up, grab the knife with the right hand, grab a knife off the table with your right hand, grab the pant waist with the left hand, and do a small, slow tear coming out of the left eye.
Oh, wow. Guys, be careful. Tesla just hit 289. That's the level that I had for Tesla, so we had 289.30.
No one caught those longs, apparently, in my channel.
Nobody did.
How?
I didn't either.
Yeah.
It literally went 1 tick away from my entry, Lip.
Not a single reaction in my channel. That's crazy. No one caught that.
You know what, Lip? I'll go over there, bro.
No, you didn't catch it. Don't react. No.
I caught it with you, but I'll go over there. I caught it with you.
No, I'll react.
MES doesn't
I
count.
reacted.
Oh, MES? Oh, yeah, no, fuck your MES. I don't play that bullshit.
Look at that. Everyone just see, you just need to tell us to
No,
do.
all I have to do is say something. Jeez.
Sorry, I never go in there and do that. I forget. Also, with the member profits, you don't have to post anything, right? You can just say, like, you don't have to do a screenshot, right? I can just say, like, I've been saying what it is. Does that work?
Hey, you can put whatever you want in there, man.
Okay. Yeah. I didn't, because I always see people screenshot their profits, but.
Oh, that's like the thing that everyone does, yeah.
Okay. I just
whatever you do.
Spy Guy had the perfect entry. He was the one that played exactly the bounce there of the trend.
Very good. Awesome. Very good.
Very good. Very good.
Man, look at this thing coming back, though.
I alerted everyone. Tesla 289. Be careful. There
Tesla
you go.
Kind of slow down. Loki, Tesla controlling the market now. This is crazy, dude.
Completely.
This is just getting us
following
another
Tesla.
entry. It's just getting us another entry. Give us another 50-cent drop and getting back in.
No.
Not for real, though.
Keep sending it.
Order filled.
Okay, so here's another play. So if you look at SPY, we have this red candle with that wick. If this previous candle doesn't get that wick, if we short, you can play shorts. Stop loss above that wick because the previous one can go and get it. But if we don't, that'll be a banger play.
Yeah, this thing is looking a little toppy, but call flow is still doing well.
Yeah, I have that level there on NQ, that level that I told you. We rejected your level perfectly, the 2044.
Yeah.
But I think we might want to go up there and get that one.
Yeah.
So the one that I said, the 20052.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yep.
Which we're almost there, but that will make, I don't think SPY will get there. Tesla is bouncing here out of 289, 288, I mean. It never closed below 288. So still a chance to keep going. We'll see. Because there's another play. Oh man, I didn't see this. So we broke pre-market high. Now we came down and retest pre-market high. That's another trade there always. You retest the level that was resistance. Good entry there. Spy Guy was right. He was just giving you another entry.
Keep going.
Well, yes. I took it. I'm back in.
Yeah.
Lips said no to the 50-cent drop, so I said, fuck it, let's do it.
I'm holding it to 564. I'm doing what Jinja told me to do, holding the Gex levels.
Oh wow, yeah.
The Gex level is 56.65 on SPX,
Oh my
right?
god, my port is fucking heating.
Yeah,
Oh.
so we're not there yet.
Well,
We're almost
because Lips, you did that yesterday when you left, and you came back, and it hit at what
I
it's
sure
59,
did.
39, whatever. Yeah.
I've only been sizing with 2 micros though, so it's been
I didn't
alright.
see that play, man. God damn it.
Let's go. We're up to $130 with 2 micros. Woo!
Sometimes having too many levels on the chart. I missed that pre-market high again, bounce.
Dude, I should have sized a little bit heavier, but it's alright.
Okay, so we swept liquidity from that wick.
We almost made that 052 level. We went to 51.75 and we're starting to reject again. But yeah, I like these Gex levels up here. I just the other part here on NQ, we're coming up against some big daily resistance, guys. It's got me a little bit shook. And with NFP, I just we've got a huge weekly green candle here. For a data week, I don't know that I care for that. Not to say that it's not possible. It just we've got a pretty big level here on the weekly.
Dude, Kool-Aid man, I've been selling these 4 covered calls like every single week on Fubo, and it's like $6 every time.
Oh yeah,
fire, dude. Yeah.
I'm dude, I'm flushed with cash right now. I'm thinking about loading the boat on Fubo down here at $3 because it's been holding it pretty well.
Yeah.
Me, Maddie?
No, I got it from Shane. Literally, he sent it to me, and I've just been doing it.
Man, Maddie, I should do my selling on Robinhood. If it shows like your overall performance from your selling, that's so nice.
No,
man.
yeah, with the new update, it does that now. It's so nice.
I don't think it does that on any platform except for Robinhood.
Yeah, no,
How were
Robinhood does it, and
Robinhood
I love it
earnings
there.
yesterday?
What'd you say, Kool-Aid man?
No, Ginger asked about Robinhood earnings yesterday. I like how Robinhood does that though with the cover calls and cash secure puts.
Yeah, if it shows that overall gain from and it like averages.
Well, it changes your average. Yeah. Yep, it changes your average.
Yeah, so like on my CSLO on my girls account, every time I do a CSP on there, it would just add this 70 cents right to my underlying average. So it goes down every single time. It's super nice.
I like that, man. I might have to start doing
And then they have like a realized profit and loss category, so you can look at CSLO, see how much you've gained over the month. So it's pretty nice.
This is looking real nice, guys. For more upside, I'm holding this for a
Okay.
long time.
I'm big.
Call flow is pumping, and those Gex levels are still up there.
We not expecting like dollars to
He's got a hot mic.
It's something that we are providing some automation, some tools, and it's self-service tool.
Who is it?
I don't know. I don't even see it.
Oh man, that's so loud. Oh my god! I love this song, Libers. Dude, Mara's having a day today, my boys. But yeah, Kool-Aid man, I'm gonna free up some capital here pretty soon in my portfolio. Besides on my TSLF, I'm gonna free up probably just $5,000 in case we have another drop down. I want to be able to sell some more shit.
Well, I've still
Just
got
in
my
case.
$12 cover calls on TSLL for this week. I mean, if they get assigned, I'm not going to be heartbroken because that's a 50% gain on those shares. So I'll be okay. Because I'll still have 400 shares naked, and I'll have enough cash that the next pullback, I'll probably be close to 1,000 shares.
Yeah, dude. Like, this is the biggest regret probably in my whole entire trading career is not being like heavy on cash with this drop, which really fucked me over. Like, I could have been up so much stupid ass money right now if I just had unlimited bread. average down.
Guys, TP on my MES trade here is 564 on SPY, which is, I don't know what that is on ES, but just
It's
take
up
a
there
look
like
at my chart.
576.
Yeah, on my stream I have 564 up here, so you'll be able to see it.
Or
It's like another
680, I think. 12
it's probably
points.
like another 12 or 13 points on ES. So yeah, probably like around 5,680-ish.
Okay, this is what Tesla can
Oh, no,
reject
sorry.
now. Be careful. We
Five-
just did.
Oh, yeah, 680.
Yeah, we wicked off that level too, Ginger. On
Barely,
NQ.
barely. Yeah, we're still
Yep.
looking strong. We're still, there's no really.
I'm gonna try a short there.
Yeah,
because
I'm in
it's such a
shorts.
tight stop loss. Yeah. and
Yeah,
it's-
I'm in shorts.
I was in, but it came up and stopped me out again. I had my stop too tight.
I'm in shorts, but this looks bullish. This is getting
Yeah.
in front of the train. But I'm very light because.
Well, and it's a tight stop, right? It's a low risk reward.
Correct. Yes.
Yep.
It might fake me just to get that and then reject, but.
I've got my limit right under that 52 level to tick me in, and then my stop will be almost immediately. So we'll see. I was in, and these things would be so green right now. That's such a pain in the dick. There it goes. Come on.
Come here to the 21 EMA, and I'll stream some.
I love that meme of me crying. It's hilarious.
Look at this thing now. Fuck's sake.
You got out?
It stopped me.
Oh, come on.
I was too tight and it stopped me, and now it's flushing. Yeah.
I just streamed here. I just streamed on the 21 EMA, and now I have the rest at breaking.
So you bought Tesla shares, Matty?
No, I didn't have those for like 2.
I didn't know you had Tesla shares.
No, bro. That was on my Weeble account. Those are at like 110.32, and I transferred in that Weeble account.
I don't want them now. Jeez, this thing's getting ready to break that level, I think.
I originally had those.
It bounced great off that 21.
I played reverse now.
Cash App investing.
Did you really?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, that was nice. Here. Right off the 21 EMA on the 1 minute.
Exactly.
Oh, that was nasty work, sir.
Nasty.
Nasty
I never played
work.
reverse, man. Let's go break it now. Yes, it's breaking. Yeah, come on.
Five breaking 2. Let's go.
Yes, let's go.
Come on.
Yes.
Come on, guys.
That was beautiful. I banked on the downside and banking now. Yeah, come on.
Nice job. Nice job.
Yeah, 5 more minutes until I really got to work, too. This is awesome.
Let's go.
Yes.
Yes. You traitor. Can't even say that on mock now with all of us. Nah.
Dude,
Trim there.
I think Britt was getting mad at me for I was going
Why?
crazy, dude. Because dude, that play yesterday was insane for mock.
Oh. I wasn't there, man,
right
unfortunately.
There, Lex, you took that big ass payout on that.
It happened yesterday. Oh, I went to
Too many
pick up the
people
kids
talking.
from school because it was raining. Yeah.
It literally happened in 10 seconds. Lips got in and it hit him like 15 seconds later.
Oh, it went crazy. What'd you say, Matty?
Oh, we're saying you took that big ass payout on that instant funded, right?
No, not yet. I took
Okay.
payout
Okay, there's 563 19. Oh my god, to the T. Okay, that was we should
So
reject
with that,
here, guys.
$700,
We should reject here.
150K. If you just
I'm
take
completely
like
out of
5
everything.
$200 days, you could take a payout on there.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
wait. No, not 500. You have to make on the 150K. You have to make 7,500.
But even if
Okay,
it's an
so
instant,
now-
Yeah, you have to hit a profit target like a combine.
oh, but then say you do take that, you could take the payout.
Yeah, instantly if you wanted. Once you hit it.
Okay.
2 more minutes on this 15-minute candle. See what we get here. So we swept above that level. 2050 to 25. Let's see where the candle closes now. Yeah, but I'm out.
Let's go. Look at this push, baby.
Let it go.
Woo-hoo!
Let it go, Philip.
Let's freaking go. I gotta do this
Make
more often,
that
man.
money.
Taking micros. Just holding them.
Dude, I really didn't get filled by like one tick. I'm so pissed.
We are currently up. How many points is this? We are up.
And Flowtopia
20.
calls are fucking mooning right now.
We're up
Jeez.
20 points on MES, dude. If I had one
Come
ES
on.
contract, I'd be up $1,000 right now.
Come back down here.
Yeesh.
All right. Thanks again, y'all. See y'all in the afternoon.
Wow, we
All right, buddy.
broke that
Bye, bro.
range. I wasn't expecting that. Shit, I got out too early. Wow, where's the level in it?
Damn, does the Apex really suck like that, Lips?
I didn't look at the video that they sent. What was it? Give me the TLDR.
This thing's leaving the station.
Let's go.
Fuck. Come down here and get me. Come on. Where are you
No
trying to
wick
be?
on the top of this 15-minute candle. Insane. Wow. That's why I exit. I thought we were going to make a wick on the top of the 15-minute candle so I could get in again. Nope. She is like, nah, we just keep it with no wick. Just to screw you over. For the past 10 hours, there's not a single candle that doesn't have a wick on a incredible on the 1 hour.
We're up we're up $200 on 2 micros from my entry.
Yeah, I'm so fucking pissed I never got filled.
Let's go. Keep it
This
going.
is
Really,
insane,
go
man.
and look. Go and look.
An hour candle with no top
limit
wick.
buy is still here at
Watch out of here,
5.652 on the dot. I didn't get filled.
How's that possible? Well, I guess we're very, very, very bullish people. Oh, just faking it here. Go look what was the last time we had a 1 hour candle with no wick on the top. There's a little one here. Two days ago. Okay.
All right, I'm trailing my stop now, guys, so I don't freaking miss out on all these gains. Let's freaking go. I got 2 micros on top step and on top one.
Here's a new 15-minute candle. Push down
Yeah.
here. Make a
So,
bottom wick. Give me some
No, retest the level that we broke.
fucking
That would be
micros.
great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's where I'm at. Come
Yeah.
down here and give me a couple of micros. If you want to come down and fill that gap, I'll take a couple more. Thank you. There's 2.
Come on, man. I'm in shorts. Let's go.
Don't
Been
come
in
fill the
shorts.
gap. I'll take 3 more.
Yes. So we're about to test that thing.
Yeah, we're at that level.
Yeah.
I'll average
Which
in
just-
if it comes down.
I just don't like on the 15. It's really far away from the EMAs, but it is what it is.
Yeah. It's because we had that hourly boomstick, man. Yes.
Did you hear him?
Yeah.
Yes.
He's been listening in dad too much. Yes. That's funny.
I can't wait for
your
him
wife's
to
gonna
yell
come home.
"Mom."
Hey, buddy, you want some lunch? Yes.
That's funny as fuck.
All right, go ahead. Let's go to 2166.50 on NQ now. Let's go. Send it. Where's those 100-point candles when I need them?
This is gonna be a. Let's see here. It hit the 21.
That's a banger, Lips.
Posty.
Yes, that's a banger.
Oh yeah, this song is so good.
This is on that what is that, Beat Star game? That's where I heard
What's
this
that?
song. It's like you remember Tap Tap Revenge or whatever they used to have on the phones back in the day, the Tap Tap game, where it's like you sync up the tap to the music. It's like you're playing a little keyboard or something.
No.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. I know what you're talking about.
Ew, kid. He just freaking spit all over me. Disgusting.
Guys, the bounce of the 21 EMA is so
Yeah,
powerful.
that's your blood. Hey, Matthew, are you still here, bro? Lately.
Freaking amazing long play today, guys.
Let's go get those eyes now again. Come on. I played again the downside and I'm playing the upside. Oh, I'm scalping this baby.
All right, come on, let's go.
Don't make a lower high.
Send it. Come on.
No matter what, stop loss is that break even. The gecko. Petrol. All the Fagatini songs on the playlist. Let's go.
I don't know, man. I think this is a good tune.
Send it to
Yeah,
564 already.
Get that high. Gotta get that high. Let's go.
Break it.
If you had the bounce of the 21 EMA in the past 3 times on the 1 minute, you passed a couple combined.
Come on.
Who's praying in the back?
Swag and Link.
Yes.
Swag.
We
Yeah,
got
come on.
the high. Come on.
There it goes.
Swimming
Let's go.
some here.
My fault.
No, you're good, bud.
Oh, no, it's so good.
All right, nice. I'm gonna trim one there. Come on, give me another green day in the XFA, baby, so I can lock it out.
Let's get that high on SPY. Can we do that?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, Daddy. Daddy
I'm
said
enjoying.
564.
564, come on.
Oh, did
Can
you
we
guys see
get
that
it?
the tariff shit is gonna come out today?
Huh?
Shit.
What tariff
The
shit?
news
What
on
you
the
talking about?
tariff.
Yeah, I did.
News on the tariff is gonna come out today.
Of course. 'Cause that's what I need in my life.
I think it'll be good news.
Think so?
Yeah, it has to be. With the way the market is right now, Trump's not gonna let his base fall again. His ego won't let him.
All right, I'm gonna drag my stop up here a little bit because I'm not giving the shit back. I'm in the
Once this
XFA.
TP hits, guys, I'm freaking done for the day because my kid is just freaking out right now. Please just
Okay,
go up
what
there and
you
hurry
gonna
up.
do, man?
Just throw on some cocoa melon.
Probably should.
Did you like that show or what?
I think all kids like that show.
Yeah,
He's
kid
never
like
watched
that
anything really. He's watched like Miss Rachel a couple times, but that's it.
All he watches is fucking charts.
Yeah, he watches the charts, brother. Yeah.
That's all he watches.
Go break the high, Spy. Don't make a lower high.
Yeah, I don't like that candle on SPY right there. Needs to go back up. Tesla still hanging there. As long as Tesla stays in this area, we are good to go.
Wait, does Fubo have earnings this week or something, Maddie? Yeah, they do.
Top liquidity
That's why the
on
contracts
Tesla
are juiced.
is 290, 290.10.
Nah, no, I hope they do spectacular. Just for you, bro. I'd like to see my homies win.
I think I'm gonna sell some one-day $3 puts. Wow. Yeah. Holy shit. Those at the money puts, they're $17 premium.
Okay, this is looking better now.
Yeah, I'm gonna sell 3 of those. That'll average me down really nice too. $17 per con.
Wait, which one?
The $3 cash secured puts on Fubo for tomorrow because they have their earnings. Yeah, that'll average me down even if I get assigned. So I'm not worried about it. That'll be nice.
If we just get a couple more pushes back up, I'll be
There's
back to
290 on Tesla.
in my portfolio.
Be
by the
careful
skin of
now.
my fucking teeth. And then we need Ethereum to push for lips, and then everything will be all merry.
Here we go. Come on, Spy. Let's go. One more push up to 564 and I'll be geeked.
Lips, does it actually piss you off that Ethereum is so dog shit compared to Bitcoin?
I mean, I'm used to it now. It's freaking been years.
No, I know. It's so annoying.
Yeah, dude, that's almost a 6% ROI, by the way, on those Fubo cash secured puts.
Yes, sir.
For the $3 ones, and that's a 1-day expiration. Like, that's fucking insane.
You believe in the company, and there's no reason to not do it.
Right. So just in comparison, next week's are only 20, but tomorrow's are 17.
Dude, I think my favorite plays in the world, like for stock plays, are those type of plays. Cause man, like you could just do one day and make $20 to like $100 one day risk free. It's so clean. I love it.
Here we go. Come on.
Yes, push. Yes. Go. I'm gonna move my stop up to that previous high. On the 1 minute. Let's see. Yeah. No. Wait a minute. Let me pull that back just a little bit. Let me get just on the bottom side of that flag. There we go. Just in case we fill the gap.
Wow. Tesla swept all the liquidity at 290.10.
Man, I'm liking trading the lighter side, man. It's so stress-free, man.
Mm-hmm.
Just hold it, let it hit targets, have wider stops.
Yeah. You don't have to worry about being a paper-handed bitch.
Yeah. Man, I'm holding this thing still full. It's crazy.
That's right. Sizing matters, man. Let that be a lesson to all you boys.
But I also like being done today in like 10 minutes. So.
Yeah, that's nice too. I agree.
That matters, Balloon Man. For real.
Sorry, Maddie. Yeah, sizing matters.
I couldn't relate.
I bet you could if you tried.
I cut my shit off. So I don't even know.
Yeah, Maddie can't relate. He just got a dust flap.
That dust flap is crazy, bro.
Sorry. I don't mean to offend anybody in here if you got a mud flap too. Sorry.
Dude, that's some shit that like you probably said in high school to people and they almost killed themselves.
No. I mean, I'm in full transparency. It's what my stepdad used to say.
That was funny.
Yeah. And actually, what he called it was he said you ain't got nothing more than a flap to keep the dust out of your ass. Oh.
Thank you. I was holding him like the whole time. What? Oh. I didn't smell it. Well, wife came home and apparently the baby took a shit in his pants. Love it.
Smell like shit.
Damn,
I feel
I
like
almost
he
could
told
smell
you
it
that
here.
earlier. Yeah, I feel like he told you that. He said yes.
Yeah.
Freaking Gigi.
What's up, fuckers?
Hey.
Hey, dude.
Hey, guys.
What's up, dude?
Chilling. Make some money today or what?
Hell yeah, we making some money today.
Yeah,
Sabra.
Love that for you.
Sad, dude.
No more news today, or?
Nope, Trump might be happy with it.
Yeah, economics, bro.
We're about to hit our TP here. We just need one more good push up and we're good.
Hey, look here, boys. It's $200 in the XFA. Lock it out. I love
Locker.
it. Boom. Lock it out.
I mean,
There's a new 15-minute candle. Whoa! What
There
is
we go.
this?
Hey, there's
Oh,
554 TP hit, guys. Woo!
That was bonerific.
Oh,
What is this? Uh-oh, we got news or something, boys.
Hey, TP hit.
right off it.
They wicked right off of 564. That was TP.
Yeah, what are we...
this is amazing.
Yes.
No, the 4 week isn't yet. What the heck? Was that news?
I have no idea.
What?
There was no volume too, so I have no idea what that was.
That was wild.
Yep.
Yeah, Matthew, I told you, bro. I was trying to get you to hold, dude. Look at MSTX, dude.
Dude, I know, but after hearing about that shit, because we had
I remember when I remember what happened.
She was down like $20,000 in an instant just from that. So if anything, I'll just add back in. I'll sell some cash gear puts or whatever.
What the hell, man? All right.
I'll straddle them.
I'm freaking done, guys. If you guys have questions, I'll type in the chat. But my kid is I'm about to kill myself. I'll be back.
Kill him, bro.
No, not him. Me.
Kill him. That's insane. Mara's having a field day today. 10%. I only have like 20 shares at MSDX. I'm gonna probably sell out of them as well. I'm building up this my cash reserves right now. So the next time something happens, I'm well deployed.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get some more Fubo here. So we'll see how this works.
This week was so weird, man.
Yeah, like
no volume.
You guys don't even have like any idea how furious I am. Like I did not have any capital to deploy on any one of these like major pullbacks.
Yeah,
I was so pissed.
All right, we got the news. U.S. weighs easing NVIDIA chips curbs on UAE as Trump plans to visit.
Mm.
There you go.
I was
that was
listening
push.
to I was listening to this guy yesterday, and he's an economist and very smart guy. He usually is right. So he's saying that what Trump did was with his tariffs was to get cash fast, which we all know, and to force the Fed, of course, to lower the rates. But the problem is when you raise tariffs, you create more inflation, so they're not going to do that. If he eases now on tariffs and we're seeing good numbers from all the companies, from all the earnings, the Fed next week might be very open to finally drop rates, which will be amazing for the stock market.
Yeah, I just know that this tariff shit has made my job a nightmare, and I hate it.
Yeah, for everyone, man.
On that, he deals with medical devices, huh?
Well, but I didn't realize how many of our components we got from overseas. Like, we get a ton of stuff from China, and then like 50% of our manufacturing is in Costa Rica, and even that is getting bombarded with tariff. And that doesn't make any sense to me at all, because it's fucking Costa Rica. Like, what the hell? Costa Rica is about the size of California. Why are we taxing the shit out of them? Like, I don't get it.
Money. He needs money, man. He needs money badly.
Yeah, but that's stepping over $1 to grab 15 cents. You know what I mean? Like, that's kind of nonsense. Costa Rica, really?
I was reading that the amount of interest that you pay per day
right now, boys.
I think it's like
if it
$1
goes
billion.
Back to break even, I'm actually gonna nut.
Yeah, I'm sure it's a lot of money, but it's still it's you know, I look at your top. You know, when I make decisions in business, I look at my top 5, maybe 10 customers and say, look, I understand that there's going to be some people that don't like what I'm doing, or maybe they don't like the change we're making, but I'm going to make the change based on these customers, and they're going to be the ones that are mostly impacted here. The onesie twosie, you know, we do business together, but it's not a huge volume. I'm not going to deeply impact those guys.
Oh, you're talking about your company.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I'm just talking about in general, though. You know,
and about a tariff in Costa Rica.
Well, but that's too. That's kind of what I'm drawing the comparison to, right? It's you know, you're going after all these small countries that it's a much bigger impact for them than it is where you're doing the bulk of your business.
But what you need to see is he's sending a message that we tariff anyone that wants to do business with us is going to get impacted.
Yeah.
So it's also a message that he's sending, not about just money, but it's the message to the world. Well, Lips had a phenomenal exit at 564. That was a beautiful play from Lips. He owes me a lunch. Gex is incredible, guys. It's a lot. And you could have played again. It didn't touch it, so that can be patient, but it's almost getting again to that 21 EMA on the 1 minute. I think we're a bit overextended here, so I'd be cautious playing it now, but Price up 1.65 today.
I love this song. How about my son is a bad habit.
You know, this song got an award. The teeniest song last year. There's a 21. $15 is looking. We got a hold here. This is the previous top. The top of the previous candle on the 15-minute. So it support here. If we lose it, we'll go down there to 20.073.25 on NQ. That will be next level if we do this one here. Then if we lose that one, it will be the level that we broke to the upside that me and Kool-Aid Man were talking about. The 20.52.75. There you go. We lost it. Yes. Come on, baby. Dump it. Keep going. TP1 hit. Now TP2 is what, a 20.72.50. Oh my God, Victor, that would be crazy. Yeah, we need to break the 90 MA first here. Just trying. Couldn't agree more. Could not agree more. Hopefully it's the top for now. Come on, you're 2 ticks away from TP2. Really?
Yeah, I think it's going to pull back here, though. Maybe.
Gotta reject here now.
Yeah.
There you go. Come on. Get that low. Oh, this is I got at the pretty much at the top of the wick of this candle, this 15-minute candle. So I really played 464 when we hit 464. I waited that crazy candle. Took to calm down from the data, and then I got in. So I already got some at TP1. Now I'm waiting for TP2. See if we can get it. 2 more minutes in this 15-minute candle. See if we can get it. And this candle would be perfect to get TP2 in this candle, so we don't.
Fucking bitch.
The money's not happy. The money's on, I don't know what, but they were not happy. Come on, get that low. Let's go.
I thought that was you saying that, Matthew. Bro, I accidentally went short.
I'm hot flush for daddy.
Okay.
Where's Lip, man? I gotta stop this music.
He had to go change a shitty diaper, I think.
Yeah.
He said you can put some in the
I feel like Shaq last night talking about Goody Gobert. He was throwing up. He was a good player.
Yelled at him, go clean that diaper.
That was hilarious, by the way, by Shaq.
This is so.
Come on, baby. Let's go. Hit it.
Hey, look at there. Push. Come on. Come down to the 5-minute
Boom,
EMA
there
for
you
me,
go.
please.
TP2 hit. There you go.
Oh, wow,
be
what a
careful
bounce
now.
there.
Yeah, be careful. TP2 hit. But I think there's the next 15-minute candle. That was perfect. Hit right before the candle. TP3, 20.051.75.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
I'm with you, sir.
Trail your stop losses. Oh,
Come
it's accelerating.
dump
I
it.
love it. Let's go. Oh,
yes. Yes.
Let's chill
Send
out
it.
a little bit. Not too much. Just go back
Come
to
on.
the EMA.
Come on. All right, I'll trim there. That's fine.
Dude, crypto stocks are having a fucking field day today. This is actually insane. I needed it. No, but Matthew, honestly, you can't even be mad, bro. You were so down bad. Like, literally 2 weeks ago on it.
Oh my god, I'm so mad.
It's my time. It's my time to go back to break even, Matthew. So I gotta pray. It's my turn. I was literally praying to God for you, bro. That's how much. I'm not gonna fucking around either. I was like, God,
So
please,
was I, bro.
let us go back to break even, me and Matthew, please.
Yep. Dude, bad.
It was so bad.
Yeah, I don't mind. I collected about $1,000 in premium here in the past couple of days, so I can't be mad.
You guys like that freaking TP?
Oh,
Holy crap.
TP3, yeah, there you go. I am out. What a play, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, what a
We
dumper.
rode
Curious
from
to
the
see,
top
man,
to the
what
bottom.
MSTX
I hope
does,
you
though.
guys
Let's go.
had a chance to ride this. This was
Great job,
amazing.
Ginger. Great job, man.
115 bucks per con.
Fucking A, dude. Good job. Nice.
That TP off of 564 is crazy.
That was insane, Lips. I played shorts when you exit.
That's awesome.
Yep. There you go. Look at the bounce. Click, reverse again.
Reverse the button.
At the 15-minute EMA.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful play. I love the downside because it's best placement. Look at this. We exit. Look at the bounce. Yeah, on the 5 minute we bounced perfectly on the 21 EMA on SPY. Look at this. Yeah, baby. There's nothing simpler than levels, man, where the money is. If you know your levels, you're... And now let's see if we can continue up or we're just gonna keep the trend. It's just a dead cat bounce. Okay, that was my plan. I would chill.
Playing to the London high down here. Love to see us flush down to that. Come on, let's go. Come on.
Oh, what the heck? Why are we
Bring
listening to freaking Miley Cyrus, man?
Thank
Because
God,
that's
man.
the kind of shit you're into, my brother.
Why you hating, man?
I ain't hating. I just don't like that song. I like
Come on,
Party in
let's
the
get that
USA.
London high. Come on.
Ain't gonna lie. I could get with Party in the USA from time to time, right?
Party in the USA is a fucking bop. Dude, it really is. Party in the USA goes fucking hard.
I just can't do Wrecking Ball. That's just a song I don't like.
No, Wrecking Ball is like, you're gay as fuck. Listen to that. Dude, Kuliman is saying gay, bro. What do you?
Yeah.
You've never listened to Party in the USA and not
Oh, I
yet?
have. I totally have heard it.
I have heard Born in the USA by Bruce Springsteen. Yeah, I have that.
No,
No, not that one. No, Party in the USA.
I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. I know what you're talking about.
Like right now, if I hit my TV and Party in the USA was fucking playing, I think I'd flip my desk in excitement. That's crazy, dog.
Disgusting. Who got that mic again? Swag man, you got a hot mic again, my bro. Swag man McYolo pants. Dig the name though.
You're good, man. Do not even sweat it. Trust me, there's been worse things.
Yeah, at least you weren't. Never mind. Never mind. I'm just gonna stop.
No, we're good, Swag man. You can
you're
keep
good.
keep that in your McPants, all right?
Yeah, keep that in your McYolo pants.
Oh, we probably wouldn't hear anything then. He says they call him the one pump chump.
Yeah, I saw that. That's wild.
Also, welcome. I don't think I've ever seen you in here.
Great price action today.
Yeah, look at that bounce off the 9 EMA.
Perfect, man. Yeah.
Unreal.
It's moving. We had a moment of in the beginning of the day that was kind of trashy.
This is
like
what I'm
from
talking
open
about, guys. On the stream, look at
until
this.
we broke. That's why you got to be patient, and until you don't break certain levels and be disciplined. I was like, I'm not gonna trade this until we don't break out of that range that we had, that channel. That's it. And always look now. I don't know if anyone is anything, but if you're not, just to go look at the price action, at the trades we took. We broke out of the range. We played the retest of the trend for longs. That was a beautiful play, man. That went from 561 to 564. That was $3 on SPY. We played the rejection of 564. That's it. You're done for the day. Can leave. Have fun.
It's about where I'm at today. I have clean lady coming, so I gotta leave here pretty soon.
Stress-free. Today was stress-free because it was beautiful trend. Easy money. It's not easy, but it was.
Dang, Gio made $2,000. Nice.
And this is the best job in the world.
Gio.
Everyone wants you.
My port.
My port, Maddie.
Gio, post that in member profits, sir.
Give us some love.
Yeah, I don't have any love in member profits.
Oh, shut up, dude. I don't get anything. You get
Ginger, I'll
paid.
give you one. I didn't take your shorts though. I was gone. Sorry.
No. It's okay, man.
That was a good entry though, right off that 564 level.
I don't
Did that
need
hit
any of
that? Did that hit the upside for SPX? What was the?
No.
It did. Yep, sure did.
Did it? No.
Oh, yeah.
Was it? It was 56.65, wasn't it?
Oh, it was. Yeah, it hit 56.
Yeah, we didn't. Yeah.
Oh, close.
All right. Well, boys, I got a couple of more shorts here. They're probably going to get taken at break even.
Yeah,
I'm in at 20.068.50. My TP is at that London high. Stop loss is break even. I got to go get my daughter. Not allowed to trade in the car, so I'll catch you guys later. I won't be back for mock, but I'll catch you guys probably tomorrow. See you guys.
Peace out, brother.
Have a good rest of your day.
See you, clean man.
See ya.
See you. Yeah, it got close there, Ginger. It was 65. You're right.
But I loved your level there on SPY. That was perfect, man.
Smacked it.
That's why I played.
I sadly didn't get the very top just because the news candle was kind of crazy, but I got pretty close.
Yeah. And that was another sign of we were just sweeping the liquidity there to come down.
Yeah.
Give you more confidence to get into that play. A little stronger in contract.
Let's go, Gio. $2,000, man.
Fantastic.
That's insane. I'm sitting over here with 200, happy with that, just because I held it for so long.
As you guys can see, where especially on the 1 minute, that level that we spoke, the 20.052 on NQ, we're just going around it. If we can break, if this candle, this 15-minute candle can close below it, we'll see more downside. I'd like us to go and touch the EMAs on the 15-minute if that happens. We are breaking it as we speak. Yeah, Icy's like is on shorts. I like that too, but I'm not gonna play it here because I already made my money. It could also bounce. But if you had scalp it when he said, you would be. So we're below that level. It would be nice to go. You can play shorts if you go retest that level for rejection. So 20, 52, 25. That is the level. Go there and then play the rejection. I just don't even know if he's gonna give that play because. Again, extremely low volume day, man. Crazy. All week like this. SPY is losing that pre-market high level here, which is not good. Candle hasn't lost it. The 5-minute candle isn't closed. So trying to hold it here. Yep. Are we gonna chop a little bit here for another leg? Yeah, I think then Q. $20.1950. There you go. Just hit that level. The next one is the wick of that 15-minute candle. 2013.75. Oh my God, Victor is going for the EM for VWAP on SPY. Should have listened to Victor, huh? Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's around 561 on SPY. A VWAP at 561.31. There's the 21 EMA on the 15-minute. See if you can get a big bounce here. 7 minutes on this candle. I'm just watching now, just following for a second, not doing anything. Yeah, this hour is the hourly. We can go more. 19,979. There's VWAP on SPY. What a dump of. Yeah. And it raised everything. Okay. And there is 561. There it is. That 15-minute orb that Victor was talking about. Damn, what happened? This is crazy. Yeah, we're going down more. Yeah, I agree. Yeah. Wow. Canela, I was on the top, man. This is disgusting. Every time I hold runners, I get screwed.
Wow, Ninja, I appreciate you. You kind of like gave me the confluence to get in that, and I just maxed a couple combines.
Yeah, that was. Oh my god. Oh mother. Oh, look at this, amazing. Wow. Couldn't believe it, man. What happened here, man? This was $4. Wow. Can't get them all. This is almost at pre-market low. Wow, which probably gonna hit. NQS support here. Let's see what she does here. Oh, we had VWAP on NQ and SPY and swept it.
Dude, this is such a nasty drop out of nowhere.
Yeah, this is not. The problem is there's no volume, man. That's why I hate to be in place. There's nothing going on. They can manipulate this so easily. That's the problem on no volume days. It's been like this the entire week. Oh, but push shorts paid tremendously, man. It's trying to get back into the out of the range. I don't know if he can do it, but we got back into that range that we had in the morning at the beginning of the day, which is not good whatsoever. So. There's the new 15-minute candle. We're at the top of the range again. 561 can be resistance.
Hey, yo, Link, you sad the Lakers lost last night? I was sad, bro.
Yeah. To be honest, bro, their team they weren't built to win this year, bro.
No, yeah, the Timberwolves look so fucking good, dude.
Yeah,
Anthony Edwards is just a dog. Dude.
He had a horrible game yesterday, man. Last night, they looked shit, man. When Gobert is the best player on the field, it just shows you that the Lakers are midgets.
To be fair, I mean that's what the Lakers gave. They would just blitz Ant off as soon as he crossed half court, and then they would just leave the middle wide open.
Yeah.
And so like the only time the Timberwolves would piss me off yesterday, like it was just they would stop going and driving the middle because they could do it anytime. So it was.
Yeah.
I mean, the Lakers, bro, if I'm being completely honest, I don't see how LeBron and Luka are going to be able to work because both of them excel at having the ball in their hands.
Yeah.
And LeBron's only getting older, so he's, despite what people think, he's not a good defender, and neither is Luka, and neither is Austin Reeves. So it's like they're built really weird. So I don't know what they're gonna do to make themselves.
Yeah,
better.
but Luka is to replace LeBron. That's the trade. LeBron is 40.
I just LeBron. If I'm the Lakers, like he can't sign a max contract for us next year. Like I just they're in a weird spot, man.
I think he's gonna retire LeBron, which should be the right thing to do. Retire, kind of on the top, right? He still had really good numbers this season, so I would just.
A lot of people were saying that was going to be his last game if they lost, and he's just going to retire.
Probably. The man is 40. Come on.
I mean, he's lost.
Just go enjoy your money.
The Lakers have lost in the first round the past 2 playoffs, and so.
Yeah, this was probably one of the worst teams for them to get.
Oh, for sure.
On the playoffs because of Gobert, because they don't have any height. And
Ants, like they don't have any on-ball defenders to be able to.
Yeah, and then you have the height of Gobert, and you have Speedy Gonzalez right on the side, Edwards. That reminds me so much of Michael Jordan, man. That kid is phenomenal. The way the kid moves is outstanding.
I love everything about him, bro. His demeanor, everything.
Everything. I love that guy. He's a phenomenal player. Super humble. Everything.
Great guy.
Yeah, he's gonna be the future.
For sure.
But yeah, ending in 3rd in the league and getting out of the play in the first round of the playoffs. I don't think it ever happened to the Lakers. But yeah, that team is like you said, there's no defenders, man. You need a guy that hustles there, that gets the rebounds. Imagine Gobert at like 20 rebounds. That's ridiculous. Mm-hmm. It's like completely controlling the offensive and defensive board all night. And he had 20 points to 22 decks. A guy that usually scores 5 to 7 points a game destroys you. Yeah, there's something wrong. They knew it, man. They knew it last night. They were not going to win this series whatsoever. Once they lost that game, it was 3-1 instead of 2-2. That was game over. You could tell their demeanor. They were never really going for it. Like because yesterday for them was a game 7. You got to play with that intensity. Never saw it. I watched the game. Usually I don't watch basketball, but I had nothing to do. I watched it. They were not there whatsoever. The Wolves didn't even care. And that's the thing. The Wolves, Edwards didn't even care the first 2 quarters. He didn't even want the ball. He just passed it. Because they're like, if we lose, whatever. We take this back and we win there. It was so controlled.
For my one combine, I've got $2,500 because I forgot that I already had money in it. And I've been trying to lose money for the past 5 minutes.
That's a good problem to have.
Bro, it's the $4,300, bro. I can't lose money. It's insane.
On fire, man.
Bro, I'm just fucking selling 50 fucking contracts and I'm just winning.
Oh my god. Let me know when you buy.
Straight up.
I get it. This is unreal.
Good morning, Erica.
Maddie, you're a big Lakers guy?
I don't know if he's a Lakers guy or Golden State Warrior guy.
He's a Golden Nugget guy.
Golden Nugget.
He's always getting those golden nuggets in trades.
Hopefully just gotten puts.
Yeah, off this Asia high. Let's see what happens.
Are you longs?
I think we might go revisit that London high, but we'll see. The London low.
Oakley got in the puts, but he's right. Yeah.
It's a very, very tricky spot here. We're coming out of a big downtrend. This is a nice push up.
But isn't Flow showing to buy calls?
This can go either way here. I wouldn't. Hopefully it goes down if he's there. But it's a good spot to get in there. Oh, he's banking. Nice rejection of VWAP. Now he needs to break back into the channel again.
Yeah, and rejected off Asia high for ES too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. See. Great trade there, man. If you scalp this fast, because this can look, this can. You can just stay here. See, and Trump is opening his mouth. Trump's saying that taxes will go up 68% if bill doesn't pass. Okay, so that's no good. Probably reacting to that. No tax on tips, no tax on overtime.
Is this the bill that says that no taxes on $150,000, or is that just pipe dreams?
Yeah, I don't know. I need to read because I've been reading. Some are saying 150, some are saying 200.
Yeah.
Per household. Well, they don't disclose that too yet. They don't say it's per individual or household. But I'm assuming it's per household because if it's individual, you're making 400K a year. That is, you don't need help, right? That is a really good income. When the average household income in the United States is, I think, 70. Yeah, that was a beefy, that was a beautiful scalp there. See what we can do here. On a downturn like we have, 90% of the time, if not more, once we get to the 21 EMA, the first time we reject. And reject beautifully the 21 EMA on the 15. Are we engulfing the previous 5-minute candle?
So it's glitching like crazy for me today.
Which one?
Top step X.
Why? What's going on? I'm in top step X.
Just keeps like freezing and
Oakley already exit. I played a little bit ago. It was fine with me. Try to sign out and get back into it. They very often ask you if you want to refresh it and upgrade, so it might be that. New 15-minute candle. We're gonna do here. Yeah, downside. Almost played that. I mean, the second time we went to the EMA, I almost played that. Not a really nice one. Should have just played one EMA. I'm so green on the day that. Yeah, we're coming for the low. We just got the low. Wow, what a play.
Yep.
I don't know why Lips exit, man. Oakley, he got in at the toughest part. When he gets the rejection, just hold it. Look at that, pre-market low. There we go. I knew we were going to get it. Once we got it back into the range. There's pre-market low. Now we can. Are they going to get low a day? Yeah, Grand Victor, damn it, man. He hit VWAP and more, and a lot more. This was I didn't see this coming. Especially with earnings later. They're trying to get in here, maybe into more. It's a good place to bounce. If we don't get the pre-market, if we don't get the low a day.
Yeah, bounce right off opening range low on ES. Good place to bounce.
This is a good play. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and we just make a lower high. So we'll see. We'll see. Oh my God. He's saying this is not his daughter's playlist. Freaking hell, man. I already know this song from my daughter's playlist all the time in the car. Sabrina Carpenter. God damn my lips.
Babe, you want to go in a bit?
Sure.
Finally, got that combine down.
Nice.
Bro, I was up to $6 grand on it. Dude. I don't know. Lock that puppy out.
Still in a bit, babe. Okay. Kelly.
Yeah, we gotta break 641 if we want to go up. Come on ES it is.
Yes, but we have to hold here right now where we are on NQ. He's trying. It's SPX doing. we are in this area where the gap starts, the pre-market gap. Oh. I like to, one of the reasons that I use SPX a lot is because it doesn't trade overnight. So it gives you a pretty clean idea of the gaps, the real gaps, because there's nothing overnight. So you can, it's a very, very clean price action. Just so you can see the direction of the market.
So what you're saying is you don't care about ES.
No, I care about all. You need to care about all of them. You got to look into all of them. What I'm saying is the advantage of SPX is there's no trading after pre-market, and a lot of time this the algorithms, they play these levels a lot without counting with the pre-market levels. They're very significant levels. If you want to look and chart at the higher time frames, highly recommend to do it on SPX. Everybody's back. I didn't see that.
Oh, is he back? Hell yeah.
Yeah, he is.
Who's back?
Oh, we got a good payout, so I think he's feeling good.
Fantastic. It's good to have him back. Terra Booty.
Terra who?
Damn, really good rejection on London low for yes. Push it. Going past that level I said we need if we gotta hold this if we're gonna go up. Come on, baby.
Look at the wick on the 15-minute candle. This will be paying off the debt. Wow, this guy's talking a lot right now. Trump. I don't know if he's just tweeting or whatever, but there's a lot of info coming out. Okay, I gotta do the same thing always for Maddie. Where are they?
He's doing a press conference.
He probably hates me, Maddie, by doing this.
I love
Oh, man. That is amazing, Dix. It's so perfect. Freaking AI, man. And he has the knife right there in the table, man.
I love that he uncovers it. That's my favorite part. I was
Yeah,
like, this
exactly.
is so funny.
Yeah, brilliant. Well, I was afraid of throwing the bound. It worked perfectly. We bounced. We didn't get the low of the day. We bounced from pre-market low, so